Hello. Hello, again. My friend Charles here wanted to do a video of himself shocking himself with a copper wire, a battery, while trying to make an electric magnet. You can do this with paper clips. I'm not sure where the copper wire is with him. You can do this with an iron nail too. You need an iron nail, paper clips, and why you wanna know?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You're recording that?
Yeah. Yeah. Say hi.
Why are you recording?
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright. And paper clip, copper wire, iron nail, and a battery. Alright, here comes with that stuff right now. Hold on. This is what it looks like. The copper wire, iron nail,
and here's the battery.
Battery looks like this. And you're gonna need some tin.
Are you guys partners?
And it's gonna wrap around like
Are you guys
that.
partners?
No. I'm with Cameron, and Cameron, we're already done with ours, so I'm helping him.
Okay. Okay. Probably gonna get
I
burned.
have to get on the MS part.
I know. Yeah.
Like that.
Ow, it's already burning.
Don't put it on. And yeah, okay.
Take it like
See you next time. Please subscribe to this video, and I'll show you when. I'll show you when it happens. I'll show you when it happens. And yeah, thank you very much. Subscribe me.
Yeah, subscribe.